Life is a game of alternatives. When you choose one thing, you unchoose the other. It's like marriage. When you get married to one man, you are unmarried to the rest of the men. So before choosing the one man, you have to get clear on the other men and be ready to sacrifice the life you would have had with those men. To see what you're giving up by the choices you make, watch this video to the end and I'll teach you how to choose the best choice with the best cost and the best returns on your choice. It's China. I'm an expert global business solutions expert and your real estate success strategist known as the mayor of House Business Channel, where I discuss only business and you can do business directly with me, called My Ace TV, and you can check it out right here. This channel is my personal contribution channel where I'll be giving you exceptional values on business, personal finance, personal development, and life success. And I'll be doing that with a lot of fun because my one word is fun. And I always teach, inspire, create, collaborate. You can just call me the contributor. Join the exceptional 5% that will watch this video to the end because you're very special people and you're rare. Welcome on board. Let's learn to grow rich together. Welcome to my daily insights into my daily quotes with my ace, where I give you a longer, deeper insight into my daily quotes for deeper secrets for your accelerated result. And today's quote says, the opportunity cost of settling for less is the more you would have had. Everybody would have done with 3 square meals, a clothes, and a small house to be okay and live like a monk or a hermit. But most times, it is the things we give up that are the true price of the things we buy, not the financial price tag on that thing. I might go to buy this machine with my $1,000. The cost of this machine is not the $1,000 I paid for it. The cost of this machine is the other things I would have gotten with the $1,000 that I gave up just to get this machine. So in life, it is good you check the things you're giving up before you decide what to do. And that's why in school, you might give up your studies to go party and have fun with your friends and give up your future. And that future, when you weigh it with the fun and of the party and the rambunctious living with your friend, the weight of the pleasure you have with partying and your friends might be an ounce, but the weight of the future you give up might be thousands of pounds or kgs. So it's wise to weigh before you decide. And there are 6 things I'm going to teach you to weigh before you decide so that you don't give up the best and settle for less. The first is love and happiness. Many people have given up on love. Many people have given up on happiness and tell you you can't find happiness, especially in Africa and Nigeria. And some will tell you there are no good people, there is no love, because they've been heartbroken a lot of times. So they settle for the blandness of no love. But when you get to see people like me that have an amazing love life, you get to realize how much happiness you miss by trying to deliberately go see truly happy people, truly loving people, and then see what you are missing before you decide to give up love and know if it's better to keep searching for love or to give up love. One of the stories or folklore that put it in perspective is the fairy tale of the princess and the frog, where a princess kisses the frog and it turns into a handsome prince. But in real life, be ready to kiss a lot of real frogs and get your heart broken a couple of times before you can find true love. Because true love and happiness is what a few heartbreaks and disappointment to get to. But before you give up, have you tasted true love and happiness and seen what it tastes like? The second thing that most people give up on is the impact they would have made on other people. Most people that exceedingly succeed in life are not succeeding for themselves. They are succeeding because they have seen the impact of what their success will do to the lives of others. And so that nostalgia has become a driving force that pushes them to want to achieve their full potential. Have you ever helped a homeless person get a home before? Have you ever fed a hungry person and felt the peace, the fulfillment, the joy, and the nostalgia it feels to be the source of solace to another soul in need? Have you ever seen someone lost before and you gave them direction? That is the joy it feels for people like us that want to make a million millionaires in our lifetime, because we have seen the joy and fulfillment we get from turning one poor person into a millionaire, from seeing one of you watching this content and learning from this chapter, coming back from this channel, coming back tomorrow to tell me you're a millionaire today because of what you learned here. That joy is something that no money and no amount can buy. So before giving up, remember the amount of people you're going to impact and decide whether your failure is worth all those lives and destinies going to shreds because you gave up. The number 3 opportunity cost is your environment. Have you ever been in an environment that is so scattered, so squalid, and so downtrodden that everything in that environment seems like it is choking you in the worst squalors or ghettos of the world? And then have you been in a palatial environment that inspires, is clean, is beautiful, and is relaxing and reeks and speaks of life and relaxation? Settling for an environment you don't like is giving up the environment you would have had. And one of the simplest ways that puts this in perspective is you come home, you are too tired to clean your home. But when you remember how depressing it would be to sleep in that dirty environment, and how 5 minutes of cleaning the home will give you 12 hours of rest in a home that is inspiring, clean, and supports your health, you will just be forced to pick up a broom and clean that house. So before you decide to settle for the wrong environment, think, close your eyes, and remember the best environment you've been to, and then inspire yourself to aspire for that environment. And that's why I told myself that none of my houses will be less than the best hotels I've slept in the world, so that I can come home to an inspiring environment. And that's why, as the mayor of housing, we are committed to creating living environments, because Robert McClelland of Harvard found out that 95% of our success depends on our environment. So if you create a rich environment, you will be rich. Create a poor, choking environment, you'll be poor and choked. And the 4th opportunity cost is skills. You can do so much only if you develop so much. Some of you watching me were once very good footballers, but because you failed to develop your football skills, today you are in Nigeria looking for a job, while your counterparts are in the Premier League earning £70,000 or £100,000 a week. That £100,000 a week that those that train themselves and hone their skills in football that you gave up on is the opportunity cost of your not developing your skills. Some of you are good in writing and you are not writing so well. Some of the best-selling authors that are made millions from their books and are world acclaimed are the opportunity cost and the sacrifice you're making for not honing your skills in writing. Whatever thing you were good at as a child, think back. The fact that you have not built that skill is the opportunity cost that you are missing, that other people are world class and being celebrated and nobody knows you and you are wallowing in lack. And that takes me to the 5th opportunity cost, which of course we don't talk in this channel without talking about finance. $1 million will make you a millionaire. If you are watching me today, what's your income level today? If your income level is $10,000, Then by not learning the skills, the knowledge, the habits, and the things that will make you a millionaire, you are paying $990,000 in opportunity cost by earning $10,000 a year where you are today, because you failed to learn what it would take for you to become a millionaire and earn the $1 million. So every day, write it on your ceiling, paste it somewhere you are, that if your dream is $1 million and today you're earning $100,000, you are sacrificing $900,000 every year that you don't grow to become that person that can earn $1 million. And the faster you become the millionaire that can earn $1 million, the sooner you can start earning what you deserve and stop paying the opportunity cost of $900,000. And the last opportunity cost, which so many of us waste, is the opportunity cost of today. Many people pay today and waste today away by wallowing in yesterday or lost in tomorrow. Worrying about tomorrow or worrying about yesterday will make you miss today. What are you supposed to do today? Have you done it? The books you're supposed to read today, have you read them? The exercise you're supposed to make today, have you done them? The sales you're supposed to make today, have you sold them? The calls you're supposed to make today, have you called them? The people you are supposed to know and meet today, have you met them? The greatest gift we have is the gift of today. And the difference between a rich person and a poor person is how they use their today every day. If you want to know where the power of wealth lies in every individual, look at their routine, what they do every day. And there are 4 things that world-class people do every day. World-class people exercise for 1 hour every day. World-class people read for 1 hour every day. World-class people do business for at least 4 to 8 hours every day. World-class people meet new people every day. And not just new people, but valuable people. World-class people hook up. Others hook down or hook sideways. If you want to hook up to go up, then associate with people up there for you to become up, because you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So before deciding to sleep, what is the opportunity cost of your sleep? Before deciding to eat junk food, what is the health you are giving up for that junk food? And there are 6 opportunity costs you must consider before you give them up. Don't give up your love and happiness for anything. Don't give up the number of people you can impact for anything. Don't give up the most inspiring and beautiful environment you can create for anything. Don't give up your skills and the relevance your skills will bring to you for anything. Don't give up becoming a millionaire and the $1 million that are waiting for you for anything. And don't give up today for anything. And if you can do these 6 things and other things, and make sure you don't pay them or waste them away as opportunity cost, I assure you, you're going to have the life of your dreams. So tell me in the comment below, which of these 6 things have you been giving up that with this video, you are going to stop paying them as a price and start gaining them today to live the life of your dreams? Have you been giving up your love and happiness, impact, environment, skills, $1 million, or your todays? Use all of them today to build the best life of your dream. And the best life of your dream only comes if you are not willing to give excuses. But there's one excuse in the world that is the best excuse in the world. To learn what that best excuse in the world is, click on the video above and I'll see you on the other side. Hey, it is super duper amazing that you found my content valuable enough for you to watch till the end. Only 5% of exceptional people do that. You're exceptional and I deeply love and appreciate you. Don't just watch to learn, watch to take action. And the first action is subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our daily value action. Remember, only doers are winners.